Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster masala. First, select 2 fresh lobsters, each weighing around 1.5 pounds. Parboil them for 5-7 minutes, then quickly cool them in an ice bath. Carefully crack the shells and extract the succulent meat, ensuring the claws and tails remain whole for a beautiful presentation. Next, let's build our rich masala base. Sauté 1 large, finely chopped onion in 2 tablespoons of oil until it turns a lovely golden brown. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute. Then, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, cooking for 3 minutes before mixing in your spices. Now it's time to bring the sauce together. Pour in 1 cup of creamy coconut milk and 1/2 cup of water, stirring until everything is well combined. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for 10-12 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken beautifully. Finally, we'll add the star of our dish. Gently place the cooked lobster meat into the simmering masala sauce. Stir carefully to coat the lobster without breaking it apart. Cook for just 2-3 minutes, ensuring the lobster is heated through but not overcooked. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious lobster masala immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.